up? My name is Anthony, and what you just seen there was pictures of me in the Grand Canyon having a blast with a group called No Barriers. Um, about 20 kids from around the country. Um, some are visually impaired, some are not. And we definitely got to learn a lot about sound, natural sound. And for the next couple minutes into this video, I'll be showing you or telling you about natural sounds, giving you some pictures of the Grand Canyon, how I feel about natural sounds, the importance of natural sounds. So yeah. Enjoy. Okay, for this part, I'm going to be telling you what natural sounds are. Okay, so I looked up the definition, and it says natural sounds are sounds produced by natural sources in their normal soundscape. Now, I looked back on that, and we talked a lot about silence and natural sounds, and I think that's actually, obviously it's the definition, and it definitely relates to the Grand Canyon. You have a lot of natural sounds making different noises, whether it's animals and their habitat, or it's just wind blowing off of the canyon walls, whether it's the water flowing. Those are natural sounds, and it's important to keep those natural sounds and keep away the loud noises from cars and cities and etc. Just like cities, you go to city, all you hear is cars and just loud noises in general. But when you go to the Grand Canyon like I did, you get to listen to natural sounds such as animals, like I said, and water flowing and stuff. And it was just a beautiful way to relax and just think about how important nature and sound is to our environment. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something new. And yeah, I think if you guys have an opportunity, you should go check out the Grand Canyon. And yeah, thanks.